Hi there, we are going to do conversation on how it's going, and here is Pankaj and Vinod doing the conversation. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, start Pankaj.
Hi, Suzy. Hi, Arturo. How are you? Great. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. So, are your classes interested in this semester? Yes, they are. I
So, are your classes interesting this semester? Try to use actions, students. Okay, whenever you are asking a question, no, if you do action, you remember the framing of sentence very well. So, are your classes interesting this semester? Once more, Vinod, ask the same question. Are your classes interesting this semester? Are your classes?
okay.
Are your classes interesting
Okay.
this semester?
Are your classes
Interesting
interesting in the semester
this semester.
this semester?
ओके सी आर थोड़ा सा अभी आप देखो आप क्यों स्टक हो रहे हो बिकॉज बड़ा सेंटेंस आ गया राइट सो गो स्लो व्हेन
Okay.
द लिटिल बिग सेंटेंस कम्स इन द पिक्चर गो स्लो आर योर क्लासेस इंटरेस्टिंग दिस सेमेस्टर ओके गो स्लो सो आर योर
Are
क्लास
you are your classes interesting this semester?
very good. Break it. It's not that you have to just run like a horse. Okay, you can go slow. You can break the sentence. Okay, but don't take too much of pause. कैसे कर सकते हो break विनोद उसको ऐसे? So, are
So,
your classes interesting this semester?
yes, they are. Yes, they are. I really loved biology.
I really love biology. Loudly.
I really loved biology. Biology? Are you and Alexa is it in same class?
Are you and do like this, Vinod? Are you
Are
and
you and
Alexa
Alexa
are in the same class?
are you in the same class?
तो आर इन द सेम क्लास में जब आप ऐसे करते हो तो आपको समझ में आता है इन हम कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रेमिंग के लिए इन द सेम क्लास उसके अंदर ओके उसी एक क्लास में आप दोनों हो उसी एक फ्रेम में आप दोनों हो देयर इज वेयर वी यूज दिस प्रेपोजिशन इन सो कैसे पूछना है विनोद आर यू
Are
एंड
you and
अलेक्सा
Alexa is the same?
आर यू एंड अलेक्सा
Are you
एंड
and Alexa
इन द सेम
in
क्लास
the same class?
once more look and ask
Are you and Alexa in the same class?
very good
No, we aren't. My class in the morning.
is in the morning
Is in the morning.
okay
Our classes in the afternoon.
okay so again see same तरीके से my class subject
Yes.
my class is in the morning her class is in the afternoon okay again circumference in
Oh, okay. Hey, do you have time for coffee? Sure. Would you would you send coffee? Would you love some coffee?
not would you love some coffee this is you're asking a question he has already asked you a question yes Pankaj why are you giving questions on questions क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन दोगे आप उसको आप क्वेश्चन का आंसर करोगे ना राइट हाउ इट वुड बी सो
I
ही हैज
would.
आस्क्ड यू डू यू हैव टाइम फॉर सम कॉफी सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर
Sure, sure. I would love some coffee.
Ah, good. That should be. Yes, I would love some coffee. Would you like to come with me? What will be your answer?
Yes, I would
Love to.
love to.
Okay. Would you हम कब यूज करते हैं क्या आपको Would you like to take this? Would you like to take this? Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I will take.
I yes, I would take.
You can also say this, or you can say, yes, I would. Okay. Would you like to? Come with me. What will
Yes.
be?
Yes, I will.
I will or I would. Okay. Can you come with me?
Yes, sir. I come with you.
I come with you क्यों बोला आपने? See, I के बाद क्या आएगा? I come बोला आपने डायरेक्टली. I के बाद सीधा मेन वर्ब लगा दिया पंकज आपने. बीच में कहाँ गया हेल्पिंग वर्ब? कैसे बोलोगे? Yes, I
Yes, I
can
okay.
can
Yes, I
can
can
come with you.
come with you.
Okay, you have to put verbs, helping verbs in between. So इधर can क्या है? Modal verb. Yes, I can
Yes, I
Can
can
come with
come
you.
with
come
you.
with you.
Could you pass me the book?
Yes.
Here.
Pass.
Yes, I can pass. Yes.
Yes, I can pass.
Or you see here actually instead of saying I can pass, you can also say yes.
I
Here
can.
it is.
Yes, here
Yes,
it.
here it is.
Okay. Can you pass me the book, Vinod?
Yes,
Here.
here it is.
Here it is. Now you ask me, could you pass me the book?
Could you pass me the book?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Okay. Could you pass me some chili sauce? Okay. Yes, here it is.
Here,
Or you can also say, here you go.
here you
Okay,
go.
means ye raha.
Here.
This is how we make questions with can, could.
Can.
Now with may, how will I make question? May I go?
May I go?
Okay. May I come in? So how will I? May I go? What will be your answer? May I go, Vinod?
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can. Very good. Okay. I might come tomorrow. What do you think? Sorry, no. This is an answer. Okay, with May. Let's make some question with May. May I sit?
Yes, you
Yes.
can.
Yes, you may. May I stand now?
Yes,
Yes.
You may.
you may.
You can say you may or you can. So this is how we make question with may. Now would, could also be made. Now let's make with question. Now let's make some questions with can. So, can you pass me the pen?
Yes,
Yes.
you can.
Not you can. How it would be? Can
Yes.
you pass me the pen?
Yes, you can.
Yes, here it is.
Right.
If
Yes,
you're
there it is.
yes, here it is. Or
Yes,
instead of this, you can also say yes. Here you go.
Yes,
Yes,
there
here you
it
go.
Or here is the pen.
Yes, here is the pen.
Okay. Or yes, I can pass the pen.
Yes, I
Simple.
can the
मैं
pass.
पास कर सकता हूँ आपको पेन. Can you pass me the pen?
Yes, can
Pass the pen.
pass the pen.
I can pass the pen, and
I
then you
can pass the pen.
hand over the pen to me. Okay. Now you ask me the same thing. Can you?
Can you pass the pen?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Okay. Did you understand now how to make questions?
Yes.
समटाइम्स वी गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. हम कभी कभी कंफ्यूज होते हैं कैसे क्वेश्चन आता है. उसके लिए ही स्टूडेंट्स फ्रेमिंग है. इसको फॉलो करो एंड देन आस्क क्वेश्चंस विद पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर. क्लियर?
Clear.
Yes.
गुड.